Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to sync Lightroom Mobile to desktop. All right. Well, the first thing that you need to do here is to go ahead and go to your gallery or your phone's storage. All right. Now in here, you're going to want to select the photos that you wanted to import to your Lightroom or to your Lightroom Classic. Now what we're going to do is just tap and hold the photos right here. For example, all of these photos right here. All right. So what we're going to do is just go ahead and hit on import and import to Lightroom. Now just wait for it. And when we check, as you can see here, says 8 photos successfully imported. Now let's go ahead and go to our Lightroom right here. And we have the photos. Now the next thing that we want to make sure is at the top right here, as you can see, the cloud is running. If this is turned off for you, just go ahead and tap on it and make sure that the cloud is turned on or the syncing is turned on. If you want to check these settings right here, just tap on the cogwheel, tap on it, and you have enable auto add. As you can see, when I tap on it, it will automatically import all of your photos from your gallery or your phone's storage. All right, that's basically it. And I prefer to turn this off because, as you can see, I'll read it. Smart previews are reduced resolution. Again, reduced resolution. Using them reduces download size and saves space on your device. Now, if you want your photo to be the highest quality or the raw quality, well, leave it disabled. All right, going back, as you can see here, the process is done. That means that the Lightroom Mobile is now synced to your desktop or to your desktop app. That's basically it. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.